Imagine a bottle tossed into the cosmic ocean, a message about who we are, where we live, and what we dream about. That bottle is Voyager 1, launched in 1977 as our messenger to the stars. Its mission: explore the giant gassy worlds of our outer solar system, Jupiter and Saturn. Voyager 1 was a marvel of human ingenuity, built to travel farther and last longer than anything before it. It wasn't just sightseeing. It was a scientific pioneer, loaded with instruments to measure, analyze, and photograph the unknown. The mission took advantage of a rare planetary alignment, using gravity to slingshot from one world to the next, a cosmic game of billiards. As Voyager 1 lifted off, it carried the hopes of an entire planet, setting out on the greatest adventure in human history. This small probe was our promise to never stop reaching for the stars. Voyager 1's journey began with a roar, leaving Earth behind for Jupiter. After 2 years, it arrived in 1979, revealing Jupiter's Great Red Spot as a colossal centuries-old storm. The spacecraft sent back stunning images of Jupiter's swirling atmosphere, and, on Io, discovered active volcanoes, proof that distant moons could be geologically alive. The solar system suddenly seemed far more dynamic. Using Jupiter's gravity, Voyager 1 slingshotted to Saturn, arriving in 1980 for our closest look at its rings. The rings, once thought solid, were revealed as thousands of icy, rocky ringlets, shaped by tiny shepherd moons. Voyager 1 discovered new rings and moons, transforming distant points of light into real, complex worlds. Each discovery challenged our theories and expanded our imagination. The Grand Tour rewrote our textbooks and forever changed our view of the solar system. It was a golden age of exploration. After its tour of Jupiter and Saturn, Voyager 1's main mission was over. It drifted toward interstellar space, its cameras switched off, a silent traveler in the void. But Carl Sagan had a bold idea: turn Voyager's cameras back for one final photograph, a family portrait of the planets. Many at NASA hesitated. It was risky and offered little scientific value, but Sagan's vision prevailed. On Valentine's Day, 1990, nearly 6 billion kilometers from home, Voyager 1 received the command. It slowly pivoted and captured a mosaic of our planetary home from the edge of the solar system. This was a farewell glance before plunging into darkness forever. No one knew exactly what it would see. The result would become one of the most iconic images in history. It was Voyager's last look back. The images returned as faint signals, traveling across billions of kilometers, pieced together into a mosaic of distant points of light, each one a world, a mystery, a story waiting to be told. These signals, so fragile and faint, carried with them the hopes and curiosity of an entire species, reaching out into the unknown. Jupiter, Venus, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, giant planets, swirling with storms and cloaked in clouds, each one a marvel in its own right, captured from a vantage point never before seen by human eyes. Among them, caught in a sunbeam, was a tiny, pale blue dot, Earth. Our home, barely visible, almost lost in the vastness, yet unmistakably precious. That single pixel contained all of human history, every life, every story, every conflict and triumph, every joy and sorrow, every civilization that ever was. The image was humbling, stripping away our self-importance and showing our world as a tiny stage in a vast cosmic arena. It forced us to confront our place in the universe, to see ourselves not as rulers, but as participants in a much larger story. Carl Sagan described its meaning. On that dot, all our wars, loves and dreams played out on a mote of dust suspended in a sunbeam. He reminded us that the Earth is the only home we've ever known, and that our differences are trivial compared to the vastness that surrounds us. The photograph's power wasn't in its resolution, but in its context. A story of distance, loneliness, and perspective. It was a reminder of how small and isolated we truly are, and how much we share. It was the first time we saw our planet as a single, unified whole, floating in the darkness. No borders, no divisions, just one fragile world. The pale blue dot became a symbol of humility and unity, a call to cherish and protect the only home we have. It reminded us of our shared home's fragility, and the responsibility we bear to care for it and for each other. This single frame changed how we see ourselves, forever altering our perspective and inviting us to look outward and inward with wonder and humility. The pale blue dot shocked us not with surprise, but with perspective. For millennia we saw ourselves as the center of everything. This image shattered that illusion. It delivered cosmic humility, showing how small and fragile our world truly is. For scientists, it confirmed we hold no special place in the universe. For the public, it became a symbol for environmentalism and global unity. From that distance, borders and divisions vanish. All that remains is a single shared planet. The image challenged our tribalism and called for cooperation on global problems. It was a call to action, a plea for wisdom and stewardship. The true discovery was about ourselves, our vulnerability, our unity, and our need to protect our only home. The pale blue dot became a mirror, forever changing our perspective. Voyager 1's legacy is more than the pale blue dot. It's a story of human ingenuity, ambition, and the relentless pursuit of knowledge. Launched in 1977, Voyager 1 was designed to go farther than any spacecraft before it, carrying with it the hopes and dreams of an entire planet. Its encounter with Titan revealed a world with a thick, nitrogen-rich atmosphere and methane lakes, an Earth-like chemistry and deep freeze. This discovery changed our understanding of what worlds could be like, hinting at the possibility of exotic forms of life and reshaping our search for habitable places beyond Earth. Voyager was the first to cross the termination shock, where the solar wind slows as it meets interstellar space. This invisible boundary marked the edge of our sun's influence, a frontier no probe had ever dared to cross before. It sent back data from this turbulent frontier, a place no human-made object had ever reached. The information Voyager gathered helped scientists understand the dynamic interactions between our solar system and the vast galaxy beyond. In 2012, after 35 years, Voyager 1 left the sun's magnetic bubble and entered interstellar space, a true starship. This moment marked humanity's first step into the space between the stars, a journey into the unknown that continues to this day. It now samples ancient cosmic material and detects galactic rays, offering insights we could never get from Earth. These measurements help us piece together the history of our galaxy and the forces that shape it. From volcanic moons to the edge of the sun's influence, Voyager's discoveries revealed a universe more complex than we imagined. Each new world it visited surprised us, showing that our solar system is full of wonders waiting to be explored. Even now, over 24 billion kilometers away, its faint signal brings us whispers from the void. Every bit of data is a message from the frontier, a reminder of how far human curiosity can reach. Voyager's journey is a testament to endless curiosity and the drive to explore. It inspires us to keep asking questions and to keep reaching for the stars, no matter how distant they may seem. Each new discovery is a victory for human imagination, a celebration of our desire to understand the universe and our place within it. Strapped to Voyager 1 is something extraordinary, a golden phonograph record, a time capsule for any intelligent life that might find it. This shimmering disk isn't just a piece of technology, it's a message in a bottle, cast into the vast ocean of space, carrying the hopes and dreams of an entire planet. This golden record is our cosmic handshake, a greeting to the galaxy. It's humanity's way of reaching out, extending a friendly hand to any beings who might one day cross paths with our distant spacecraft. Curated by Carl Sagan's team, it contains 116 images of life on Earth, from the intricate double helix of DNA to bustling cityscapes and scenes of humans and nature. These images were carefully chosen to show the beauty, complexity, and diversity of our world. It's a visual encyclopedia, a portrait of humanity's diversity. From the faces of people across continents to breathtaking landscapes, the record paints a vivid picture of who we are and where we come from. The record also holds the sounds of Earth, wind, rain, animal calls, and greetings in 55 languages. Imagine the first raindrop, the laughter of a child, or the roar of thunder, all preserved for a distant listener. There's music from Bach to Chuck Berry, and traditional songs from around the world, a playlist for the universe. These melodies and rhythms are meant to transcend language, offering a glimpse into our creative spirit. The odds of it being found are tiny, almost unimaginably small, but that's not the point. The act of sending it is a testament to our optimism and our willingness to reach beyond ourselves. Creating and sending it says something profound. We are hopeful, curious, and eager to connect. It's a gesture that speaks to the best parts of humanity, our imagination, our longing for connection, and our belief in possibility. The golden record is a symbol of our desire to be part of a larger cosmic conversation, to let the universe know that we are here and that we wish to be understood. It's our message of peace and friendship, cast into the stars. Like a message in a bottle, it drifts through the darkness, carrying our greetings to the unknown. Voyager carries our story into the unknown, a silent ambassador traveling farther than any human ever has, bearing the story of Earth for all eternity. Voyager 1 is more than a mission, it's a source of inspiration. It represents humanity at its best, curious, daring, and united in pursuit of knowledge. Voyager's story inspires generations to study science and dream of exploration. Its journey reminds us that exploration is fundamental to our nature. Voyager is our robotic explorer, venturing where we cannot yet go. Even as its power fades, it continues to teach us about the universe and ourselves. Its long, lonely journey is a metaphor for our own existence on a fragile world. The lessons of Voyager, perspective, cooperation, stewardship, are more relevant than ever. When you look up at the night sky, remember Voyager, a symbol of our reach for the stars and our endless curiosity. The universe is calling and Voyager has shown us the way.